Hello you guys, welcome back to my other video. Today I had a comment. One of the people from one YouTuber from one of the comments, his name is Michael. Thanks for commenting me back what you want me to do with the rave. Today we actually are doing a sound check because recently Michael told me to do a sound check on the same speaker. So today we actually playing a soundtrack, and please put on your headphones and have a listen. So the speaker's playing around 46 volume. Okay. Now let's move up and see how loud this thing is. Okay, we'll play another sound. So let's switch it. Let's play another soundtrack. Play another soundtrack. This one. No. Let's switch it. Let's play the same. Sorry about the noise from the background. Alright, now let's pause the music. Okay, sorry I was changing the different musics, the songs, so, let me know in comments below if you guys enjoyed this video, and have a nice day, and thank you Michael. This video sponsored by me. My username is Bass Tester Bass Excursion Guy. Please follow him, and that's me, and that's my YouTuber. If you press likes, let me know in comments below. And also one more thing, these songs I was playing on the speaker, these songs you never can find them on YouTube. But if you want to know the name of the songs, here I will turn my camera so I can show you guys what kind of website is this. Here on top of your screen, it shows you the name of the website. You search this up on the website, and then this thing, it's gonna take you like this. It can be on your phone or computer, but I also connect this to my computer, so you guys can see this is all the songs. This is the song I was using, so there you go. So yeah, this thing, it's really loud. Currently it is. How much loud it is and how much you're playing, and this thing rattled the whole entire speaker. Actually, it rattled the plays, and I was listening to my phone, and I was listening to random music. Yeah, I enjoyed this speaker. I love this thing. Yeah, but hopefully you guys have a great day, and thank you guys for watching this video.